Nutrition Panel Calculator Backup and Restore Guide. Welcome to the Backup and Restore Guide for the Nutrition Panel Calculator. This tool helps you calculate a nutrition information panel for your product's label using the recipe's ingredients. As the NPC doesn't store any information, this video will show you how to back up and restore your recipes so you can access them on other devices and browsers. When you create a recipe and click the Save and Close button, the recipe is saved to the browser's cache or temporary history on your device. The cache is separate for each browser and device, which means recipes created using the NPC in one browser or device will not be available in the NPC on a different browser or device. An easy solution is to create a backup of your recipes so you can restore them on different browsers and devices. Create a backup by clicking the Backup Recipes button. This will create a file that gets saved to the device's Downloads folder. The file name will begin with NPC, followed by the date and the word Backup. The name and location of your backup file can be changed, but not the file type, or your backup can't be restored. The backup file can be used to restore your recipes on any browser or device. To restore, click the Restore Recipes button. Navigate to the file location and select the backup file to restore. The NPC application does not save any recipe details, so remember to back up regularly to avoid losing your recipes. For more guidance on using the NPC, visit our user guide and frequently asked questions.